There is where the orange windsocks are, just over the left. City topped it. Don't take long.
Do you want to go with me again?
Yep, can do.
These lot all want to go.
Yeah, we'll do singles, yeah.
Alright, bring your heels to them again. No, a little bit. No, it's just like this.
Have you enjoyed the food here?
How are you doing?
It's all like, I don't eat the fish. I don't like it. I don't like, I tried. The batter's just way too much batter.
We had one in the light pepper, and it's got like salt and pepper and it's really nice.
I'll try it. Oh, because Mum's like,
You don't like fish?
yeah. And Mum's like, they have to try fish and chips.
Yeah.
And I was like, I eat the chips. But other than that, it's been good. The Indian food we had last night was nice.
Hiya.
How are you feeling?
Good.
You excited?
Good. Very.
Excellent.
Good.
Take a seat over
I
there.
just wanted to double check. Is that?
That's going, yeah.
That's going. Fantastic. Thank you.
Do you like to do stuff and clip those bars?
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
Great. Thanks.
Push that stretch on that one.
Oh, I think it's a
So you're going to bring your arms out if you see you instruct at the angle there, Belle, okay? Happy with that?
Yeah.
Let's just put your goggles on right on the same
Stafford.
Stafford? Yeah. You're all together?
Yeah.
Is this for the day or are you here for the weekend?
No, just for a day.
Just for the day.
Flashing, does that mean anything?
Is it? Yeah, flashing there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, confirm on Bravo, we have a single new red, single yellow arm.
How you doing?
Single yellow arm.
One of you?
You know what you do with your arms?
Yeah, I'm playing that by the.
Big booty top, good to go. Ah, go spider. Great, mate. Safety's off.
Run!
Enjoy the ride.
And in
3, 2, 1.
done. Next up, Bravo 9494 and Alpha 6969. Do you want to head over there for me?
Step this side, sir.
The side.
Shut it down a little bit, alright?
Take a step to your left for me. Step down behind you, face down the wire. One hand on either side of the platform, right down here. And feet right back towards me into a press up position. Lift your hips up into the air. As high as you can. Relax into your hands, take your hands away. Lift your heels to your bum. Lift your heels to your bum.
Sorry.
It's all folded up, mate.
Oh, again. Okay,
Put your arms back on the sides. Back on the sides here. Get back, no, here.
Oh,
Get back
yep.
into a press up position. That's it, right. Stick your bum up now, nice and high. High as you can. That's it, right. Relax down now. Take your arms away from the sides. That's it.
Thank you. Lift your heels to your bum for me. And straighten your legs right out. Block your knees out. Perfect. Bring your hands back here for me. Face your palms outwards. Stick your fingers into there and there. Thank you. So you're going to bring your arms out when you fly over the little zip platform.
Yep.
Are you happy with that?
Yep.
Excellent.
When you your bum. Push it on that bar.
Block your knees out. Brain fart. Okay, cross check, guys.
Oh, we're doing it. Cool.
Oh my gosh.
Work it out. No, it was me.
Do you want to go now? Go, big up. Down, man. Go.
Excited.
Yeah.
Big basic up. Good. Enjoy,
Have
guys.
fun, enjoy the ride.
Thank you.
And in
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Hello.
How was that?
Good.
Okay, you can let go now. Top feet out. And then you can stand up. You can stand up now, just take your time.
Whew.
There you go. Just clip your bar back up.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Are you waiting for anyone else at the top?
No, just single. Cheers.
The path then down is just there.
Lovely. Thank you. Whew.